In a quiet laboratory in San Jose, California, beneath the cold glow of fluorescent lights, a small white capsule rolls slowly across a glass table. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary pill, but inside lies a feat of bioengineering that could rewrite the history of modern medicine. For decades, the pharmaceutical world has struggled with a single unsolved challenge: how to deliver protein based drugs such as antibodies or peptides, not by injection, but by mouth. The company that stepped forward to conquer this seemingly impossible task is Rani Therapeutics. Founded by the legendary biomedical engineer Mir Imran, Rani Therapeutics is not an ordinary biotech startup. Mir Imran's name is woven into the history of medical innovation. He is credited with designing one of the first implantable cardiac pacemakers, a device that changed the trajectory of modern cardiology. Today, his son Talat Imran carries that legacy as CEO. Together, they are building not just a company, but a vision: a world where injections become obsolete and patients can take even the most complex biologics as simple pills. At the center of this vision is a capsule called the RaniPill, a device so small it can fit in the palm of a hand, yet sophisticated enough to rival a syringe. Once swallowed, the capsule survives the harsh acidity of the stomach, traveling safely into the small intestine. There, a chemical reaction triggers internal pressure that fires a microinjector, a microscopic needle, which delivers the drug directly into the intestinal wall. The patient feels no pain, but the medicine enters the bloodstream almost as efficiently as an injection. This is not science fiction. This is the foundation upon which Rani Therapeutics was built. On July 31st, 2021, Rani Therapeutics went public on the NASDAQ, raising about $70 million at an IPO price of $11 per share. Investors were intrigued, but cautious. A technology this revolutionary also came with enormous uncertainty: regulatory hurdles, manufacturing complexity, and the unknown economics of scaling a capsule that doubles as a miniature robot. Within months, the stock declined. Analysts called it a company with a brilliant idea but no path to revenue. Yet inside Rani's laboratories, progress continued relentlessly. In February 2022, the company unveiled RaniPill HC, a high-capacity version capable of carrying more than 5 times the payload of the original, up to 20 milligrams of drug substance. To put that in perspective, that's roughly equivalent to a full injection of a protein-based therapy. Traditional oral drug technologies have always failed because large molecule biologics are destroyed by stomach acid or too large to be absorbed through the gut. But RaniPill HC bypassed the stomach entirely. By using mechanical injection from within, it transformed the human body into its own delivery system.